Hi guys! The word of the day is malicious. So this word has 3 different variations. We have malicious, malevolent, and malice. Malicious and malevolent are the 2 adjectives. So they both mean to be bad, evil, or harmful. To wish evil on other people. And malice is the noun form of these 2 words, meaning the exact same thing. So it's pronounced with 3 syllables, malicious. Repeat, malicious. Malevolent has 4 syllables, malevolent. Repeat, malevolent. And malice, 2 syllables, malice. Repeat, malice. Okay, great. So some examples. He bought a gun with the malicious intent of getting revenge. I did not criticize you out of malice. I simply wanted to improve your ideas. Meaning I didn't do it to be mean, to be evil. I just wanted to help you improve. His failures made him malevolent toward those who were successful. So his past failures made him a little bit angry, a little bit evil with others who were more successful than he was. Now it's your turn. How would you use malicious, malice, or malevolent in a sentence of your own? Pause the video and try to say it out loud. It's good to practice saying these words so you can remember them, and it's good to practice speaking in general. Always try to practice in the privacy of your own home so that when you finally come to use it in public, it's much easier for you. But remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more English lessons like this every day. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And check out our full course on fluencyking.com if you're finally ready to learn more and master English. Until next time, bye guys!